cavalli bevono latte.
I cavalli bevono latte.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain.
Sono pesci.
The smell of steamed asphalt, scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hill sky.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a random Thursday in my life. I am going into uni today. It's like 10 to 11 right now. I am running behind schedule. What's new? I'm going to the lab for the first time in a while because I've had modules and everything. I've been in the lab for the modules, but I'm going to the lab for my dissertation. I'm having a dissertation day today because, wait for it, I've finished all of my taught modules and assessments. I don't know how, it went so fast, but now I only have my dissertation left. It's the 1st of July. Ew, July. That means I only have 2 months to write my dissertation because we got an extension from the end of August to the end of September. So actually it's 3 months. Okay, that makes me feel a bit better.
Am I tough enough? Tough enough? Hell yes, I'm tough enough.
The plan for the day is to go to the lab this morning and finish my skeletal assessment of the skeleton that I've got that I'm writing my diss on. I basically need to make all of the notes about the pathological changes to the skeleton, which basically means any form of evidence of disease or illness on the bones. I need to write it all down. And then this afternoon I'm going to the library to write some more of my lit review, and also I need to make some recording forms for the skeleton because it's at a weird age where it doesn't fit into my adult recording form and it doesn't fit into the child recording form, so I'm attempting to make one myself. Having never made one before, not really understanding what I'm doing, but I'm just going to play it by ear. I have got a deadline tomorrow, which is like a practice supervisor set lit review deadline. It doesn't have to be completely finished, but I would like to have written as much of it as I physically can by tomorrow. Considering it's already 11 and I've not done anything, I should probably go. I'm currently in Cranfield's Anthropology lab here, and what I'm doing is laying out the skeleton that I'm focusing on for my dissertation so that I can analyse any bone changes and assess the completeness of the skeleton. I can't actually show you the skeleton because it's both unpublished and against ethics to put human remains on social media. If you want to use your imagination, it's an 11 to 13-year-old individual, quite small. The bones are like slightly brownish in colour and it's mostly complete. The dating of this individual is kind of the Saxon period, early Saxon period in England, and I'm very excited to be working with it. It's a privilege.
Arizona thunder, the Arizona thunder tonight.
Hello again, I finished my skeletal stuff and it's now like 2. I think it's 2. It's 5 to 2. I've just been photographing the entire skeleton, which is why I haven't filmed it because I needed my camera to photograph it. And now I'm gonna have some lunch. I've just realised that the food I wanted is now closed, so hopefully the student association actually is open and is selling food still because I'm hungry. If not, I'll have to get a baguette, which is not a bad option, I have to say. As I said, I've been using my camera all morning, so it's about to die, so I'm going to charge it over lunch and then I'll just join you afterwards. If you're lucky, I'll film on my phone. Sorry if there's background noise, I am recording this outside in the garden. For lunch that day, I went to the Cranfield Student Association. They do a selection of stuff like hot dogs, pizza, salads. I ate my food in the Archaeology department. I didn't eat in the Student Association. Then I went to the library in the afternoon. decided to work outdoors for a bit because all of these tables are free, it's a lovely day, and I don't have anywhere to be right now, so why not? Okay, it's really nice and warm, but so far I've done no work. I'm just chilling, enjoying the sunshine, which is not the point of this. So I'm gonna set another tree on my phone. I should have done that initially anyway, and I didn't. So now I am. So I've just been to Budgeons to get some stuff for my tea. I mean, I got 2 mini baguettes and some hummus because it's warm. I just really want baguette and hummus. I'm gonna go watch Netflix whilst I eat. Watch Atypical. I'm really liking Atypical at the moment. Okay, I lied about my tea. Apparently, it took me the 2 minutes to walk from Budgeons to that part of my way home to forget that I'd bought salad to go with like super noodles. And I'm not entirely sure how that is possible. Ooh, I thought of something exciting that I did. There really isn't a lot going on in my life. The other day, I was really craving chocolate, and I only had this mix. So I just went for it. I don't have an oven, just to clarify. I decided I also didn't have any eggs or oil or the oven, which I think is the key aspect of this. But I decided I would try out the whole add a Diet Coke thing that I've seen flying around TikTok and the internet. I didn't have any Coke. I had fake Pepsi Max. So I tried it anyway and then just microwaved it for like 7 minutes.
I am slowly going crazy.
And, well, they didn't turn out like brownies, but they also did cook. And I now have a little pack of these half brownie, half cake creations that vaguely taste like Pepsi Max.
See what that tastes like.
Verdict?
Perfect.
What beautiful 30p ramen. Yummy.
Sorry guys, I completely forgot that I was meant to be vlogging because my camera's on charge. I'm getting distracted because Måneskin's playing. It's not my music. One of the people living in the house is having like a garden do, and I really approve of the music choices. But I am writing my dissertation right now. As you can probably tell from the background noise, everything's still going on outside. This is actually vodka Coke. I made it with every intention of staying outside and socializing, and it was really nice. I really enjoyed it. At least have something Friday night-ish for the first time in God knows how long. But then too many people arrived for my like comfort zone, and I dipped. I didn't tell anyone I was leaving, I just left.
No, that isn't true.
If COVID's brought anything, it's a valid excuse to just leave at any point.
Okay, yeah, that is true.
So, oh, this is really strong, but I've made it, and I'm gonna finish it.
Ooh, you're hard, showing off.
I'm gonna watch TV, because I'm quite awake. There's probably the Coke, but I'm gonna wait and be...
That you
My brain can't focus because of this music on in the background. I'm going to watch TV and drink this by myself and have my own little lit session.
Okay.
In the comfort of my own clean, COVID safe apartment. I'm finally going to sleep. It's 2 AM. I honestly feel fine. I think the energy drink at 3 PM has really seen me through, so now I'm ready for sleep. I watched Atypical, ate half a tube of Pringles, and now I'm like wound down. Yes, that is the Harry Styles dream with me in the background. Anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep because I've got a big day of diss writing tomorrow again. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe if you don't already.